Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 SLT. Comes equipped with a 6.2 liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather, heated and ventilated seats, as well as Google Assistant and Maps, power sliding sunroof, spray-on bed liner, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all-black interior with paneling coupled storage at the bottom, equipped to the Bose speaker sound system. Up to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with these seat memory and wood and chrome accents. You're also going to have these chrome running boards and these power adjustable, heated and ventilated leather seats. Super nice. Left side, you have your vents, drive mode selector, and lighting controls on the bottom. Left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel. With the right side being voice recognition and odometer cluster control with 2. Paddle shifters right behind. On the odometer, all digital. You can access everything you need from trip information to your gauges, adaptive cruise, as well as audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings as well. So it's going to be push to start and onto the infotainment. Equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Google Assistant and Maps. You can also access your front, rear, and 360-degree camera, as well as your parallel mirror cams and your trailering guidance with built-in Amazon Alexa and Wi-Fi hotspot. Below you're going to have lane keep assist and park assist next to your auto stop, all the wood and chrome accents. Below you're going to have the integrated brake controller next to your dual zone climate control with 2 USB ports on the side. Center console, you're going to have the brand new shifter, lots of extra storage, as well as a wireless charging pad, 2 more USB ports, and an AC wall port. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable, heated and ventilated as well. Wood and chrome all the way across. Speakers and vents up top, some storage behind the infotainment. And then here you can access your reading lamps, OnStar and SOS, your power rear sliding window, and your power sliding sunroof. So you're getting these 20-inch aluminum wheels on Hercules Avalanche TT tires. We've got the 6.2 liter V8 badging with the chrome mirror caps, and chrome keyless entry door handles. This is the back, you got the chrome corner step bumper with the dual exhaust. Trailer hitch and fifth wheel just under. The GMC Multi-Pro tailgate. And you got the grab handle with 2 LED lamps, as well as an AC wall port in the back with around 12 bed tie downs. It's a pretty spacious rear. Onto the rear interior, you get more paneling and storage next to speakers. Power window with the wood and chrome accent again. On the back. Lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side, with rear cup holders, rear heated seating, and USB ports with vents. Cup holder and armrest right in the center. Storage behind the seats, as well as storage under. Lamps up top, and handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 SLT, equipped with the 6.2 liter V8 engine, as well as wireless charging, integrated brake controller, spray-on bed liner, heated ventilated seats, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.